Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. Welcome to today's biology lesson. We are continuing with the topic of transport in plants and animals. So today we are going to discuss about the stem. It is in the stem where we have some of the transport functions of a plant occurring. So basically, we'll start by going through the functions of the stem. Now, number one function of the stem is that the stem is the one that supports the leaves, supports the flowers, and exposing them to the environment. We understand that flowers need to be exposed to the agents of pollination. Leaves need to be exposed to sunlight for photosynthesis. So basically, we are saying that the stem supports the leaves and flowers and exposes them to the environment. Number two function of the stem is the one that conducts water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves. So it acts as the intermediate between the roots and the leaves. So conducts water and mineral salts from roots to the leaves. In addition to that, the stem also conducts the manufactured food from the leaves. Conducts manufactured food from the leaves to the roots. We have more functions of the stem, and one of the other functions of the stem is something that is known as perennation. And perennation is the ability of plants to survive harsh environmental conditions throughout the year. So we have some plants which survive as underground stems. Underground stems such as the rhizomes and so on and so forth. So that ability to survive the harsh environmental conditions throughout the year is what we refer to as perennation. In form of underground stems, for instance. We still have stems carrying out functions such as gaseous exchange. And we can say that the stem, especially in woody plants, have lenticels. have loosely packed cells called lenticels for gaseous exchange. So basically, those are five functions of the stem. We've seen that the stem supports the leaves and flowers and exposes them to the environment. Number two, conducts water and mineral salts from the roots to the leaves. It also conducts manufactured food from the leaves to the roots. We have also seen that the stem also helps the plant to survive harsh environmental conditions throughout the year, a condition known as perennation, whereby a plant may survive in form of underground stem. Gaseous exchange is another function, and this one occurs through some loosely packed cells that are referred to as lenticels. So basically, those are the functions of the stem. The next thing that I want us to look at is the internal structure of the stem. And on this, we are going to have two diagrams, one showing the transverse section through a monocotyledonous stem, and another one showing a transverse section through a dicotyledonous stem. So this is a transverse section through a dicotyledonous stem. We have the epidermis, we have the cortex. On the outside, we have the phloem. Then inside, there is the xylem. Remember, these are the vascular bundles. Then we have the cambium. And then finally, the pith. So that's a transverse section through a dicotyledonous stem. We are going to have a monocotyledonous stem. So the monocotyledonous stem basically has the epidermis, just like the dicotyledonous, and then we have vascular bundles that are scattered. Vascular bundles scattered. So they are just scattered within the ground tissue, or the cortex. So basically, that is that. So we are going to have an assignment on the same, whereby we'll be expected to do a comparison between the dicotyledonous stem and monocotyledonous stem. So the first question Give 3 differences between a dicotyledonous and monocotyledonous stem. Number 2, state 4 functions of the stem. So we are going to stop there until next time.